Hello together. In this video I want to show you 3 different ways how you can make a screenshot on your Motorola Moto G42. Okay, now you want to make a screenshot. You can make a screenshot from every single app. If it's here from your main screen or here within an app like the settings or a Facebook, or it doesn't matter. Okay, so I can make screenshots wherever I am. The only thing that you must remember if you make screenshots for movies or special photos which have a copyright, then it can be that this section then in the screenshot will be black. But in most cases, screenshot should be no problem. Okay, how do we make a screenshot? Well, the first option you can choose is to just take 3 fingers and just tap and just leave your fingers here, and then you can see, okay, the screenshot has been made. Okay, again. Okay, and here you can see a miniature of your screenshot, and then I can edit it directly. I can go here. Got it. I can go here and crop it a little bit, and I can write something here and so on and so forth. And then I can say, okay, allow, and I can just save this screenshot. Okay, so this is the first possibility, the first option here, 3 fingers, just press it on your display. The second option is just to go here to your app, app switcher, and when you are in your app switcher, you can choose one. Perhaps I will take this one, this phone, or here Power Touch, and then you can see here the screenshot, and I can just click on it, and then again the same. I can also go here to the edit mode, but also this miniature will disappear after a while. So where does this miniature go? Well, this miniature goes here to your photos, and you have here your Google Photos, and I click on it, and then you will say, hey, where is my screenshot? Here's no photos. Of course, because it's not a photo, because it's a screenshot, you must click on library, and here you have your screenshot. So you can see here are the screenshots we have made, and here's the screenshot I just made earlier. So I can just edit it again, and I can again crop it and do other things, all the things I want to do. So again here, crop, okay, I can adjust, I can set filters, markup, and so on and so forth. Okay, so pretty cool and pretty easy in my mind. So I can say done, save copy, and everything's fine, and you will see here now, here is my copy. The third option, the third way you can use it is to press 2 buttons. Here you press the volume down button and the power off button at the same time simultaneously, like this, and you can see again this small miniature appears, and I can again edit it, or I can go directly to Google Photos after a while and just choose my screenshot I have made just earlier, and you can see here is my screenshot. And again, I can choose every screenshot, I can edit it, I can send it to people, and so on and so forth. I hope this video helped you a little bit how to make a screenshot on your Motorola Moto G42. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.